How to generate connection, how to generate connection details in advanced Stee. For example, okay, I have this connection here. Another example, right click, deactivate, okay, right click, hide camera graphics, okay, deactivate, have this one here, right click or double click, okay. I have generated some sheets um, of these connections. I think number 35. Okay, so this is the focus of the video to show you how to do this. Now I can go back to model. Just click, right click, deactivate. I hope you know how to do numbering, etc. So before you do before you get to this point, you have to have your model, goes perform numbering, do everything including connections, etc. So that we can be on the same page. Now, okay, I will go to another view. I want us to create a connection. I'll go to isometric. Okay. Um, drag this one using scroll button. I just want to pick or to show you what connection we're going to create. Okay, we can create this connection here. That is the parent connection. Just I need to go to Project Explorer, expand, create model view, um, and then I'm going to pick at joint box. I will give it name view, just any name that you wish. Enter. let's go back. We need to change this one to D wireframe so that you have better visuals. Okay. Now, Project Explorer, create view at John box. I will pick that box, view 2 or 2. Okay. Now we want to pick view direction. I will pick this arrow, then hit enter. So you have to see that this box has been created. Select it, select adjoint box, and then go to advanced properties. And you can change the dimension. I will show you in the next. So I'm going to go to camera properties. And then create automatic drawing. I will use overview and detailed view. My scale, use that, then update. Okay, I can just pick it, go to drawing processes. So I'll go to output, drawing processes. Okay, I want to pick selected camera. You can pick selected camera, the first option. And then click OK. So it's scanning the modem. Now we can go to drawing manager. I think this will be the last number. Now I can just expand detail, up to date, the last number. You'll find it right here. Then click OK. You need to click open, not OK. Sorry. Click open drawing. Now there you go. Is our connection detailed view. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.